Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to Jumped Maths channel. Today we want to looking at a question solved. It says find the value of the unknown, which is y, from these solved questions. So let's go straight to the questions. First thing they said, find the value of y in this. They gave us square root of y plus square root of 8 equal to what? Root 32. Root y plus root 8 equal to root 32. So first and foremost solution, then I have my what? Root y plus root 8 equal to root 32. Right? So the next thing I'll do here is what? I have my what? Root y now becomes what? Equal to what? Root 32 minus root 8. So what happened here? 8 is moving to what? Where 32 is. So they are both having what? Numbers. So leaving the y alone. So now becomes what? Root y now becomes what? So now this root 32 can also be written as what? Root 16 times 2. 16 times 2 is what? 32. These are the factor of 32, whereby 16 is what? A perfect square. Then minus another 2 factors of 8. That one is a perfect square is what? 4 times 2 are the 2 factors of 8. That one of them is a perfect square, which is 4. So from here, I can try to say what? My root y equal to what? Root 16 is what? 4. Root 2 minus my root 4 is what? 2 root 2. Now from here, you can see that root y now be equal to what? I have 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Then they are having the same roots. What do? I subtract the numbers attached to them. So it now becomes what? 4 minus 2 root 2. They are having the same roots. These are the rule of surd. When you're having the same roots, just subtract the numbers. So now becomes what? My root 5 now becomes 4 minus 2 is what? 2 root 2. Good. Now remember, they said find the value of y, not root y. So what do I do here? I have to what? Square both sides to eliminate the root here. So it becomes what? Square here and also what? Square this. So this square, removing this square root here, I'm left with y. Now be equal to what? This square here means what? 2 square and what? Root 2 what? Square. So my y equal to what? 2 square is what? 4. Then times it by what? Root 2 square is what? That means, this means what? Root 2 times root 2, which is root 4. And root 4 is same thing as saying 2. So that means what? Is 2. So from here, my y, therefore, my y equal to what? 4 times 2, which is what? 8. So that means my what? Y is equal to 8. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.